cut up. To chop or slice something into smaller parts. Example, cut up the chicken before adding it to the curry. Boil over. When a liquid spills over the edge of the container while boiling. Example, watch the pot closely so it doesn't boil over. Boil away. To evaporate liquid through boiling. Example, let the sauce simmer and boil away until it thickens. Boil down. To reduce the volume of a liquid by boiling. Example, boil down the broth to concentrate its flavor. Slice off. To cut a thin, flat piece from the surface. Example, slice off a piece of the cake for dessert. Bolt down. To eat quickly. Example, I had to bolt down my breakfast before heading to work. Chop up. To cut something into small pieces. Example, chop up the vegetables for the stir fry. Cut out. To remove something by cutting. Example, cut out the excess fat from the meat. Cut off. To remove with a cut, often used for ends or edges. Example, cut off the crust from the bread. Fry up. To cook something by frying. Example, I'll fry up some eggs for breakfast. Whip up. Example, I can whip up a salad in no time. Quickly prepare or create something. Peel off. To remove the outer layer. Example, peel off the skin before cooking the potatoes. Mix in. To combine ingredients thoroughly. Example, mix in the spices for a flavorful dish. Thaw out. To melt or defrost frozen food. Example, thaw out the chicken before cooking. Cook away. To evaporate or cook until something disappears. Example, let the sauce cook away until it thickens. Warm up. To heat something gently. Example, warm up the soup before serving. Fig out. To understand or solve a problem. Example, I need to figure out how to make this recipe work with the ingredients I have. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more videos English class time.